Hey guys, Metro 57, Kyle King. So this is a house we're remodeling for a group that is done through a loan service that I have a relationship with. They've got a hard money loan that paid for this house and is financing the construction, which they've hired me as the contractor to do the construction. So I'm just gonna point out a couple of things. So this is a house ultimately that's gonna go back on the market, and the market in Dallas-Fort Worth is so hot, we don't have to do it to where it has to be perfect. We're just doing what the investors want us to do to get certain things done to make it marketable. And I'll point that out. So in this case, you've got a really beat up concrete driveway, and give you an example of this back here. We're gonna tear all this out, because this right now, we can't market this. This is supposed to be concrete, but it doesn't look like concrete. We've got a creek behind it. So they've got a fence here they've put up. We're gonna put more fence on the back side, and then we go inside. The outside will get a new painting, and that's it. Not a lot of work on the outside, because that's what the neighborhood says. It's a 1950s product. I don't need to put a lot of love in the outside. We'll replace the windows. I'll paint the exterior, and we're done.